Today, I'll walk you through why your slicer search is missing and how to bring it back, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to restore the slicer search feature in Power BI so you can enhance your data visualization experience. First, let's open your Power BI dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and it's essential to have everything set up correctly. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, we'll navigate through this together. Now you might be wondering, why is the slicer search missing in the first place? There are a few common reasons for this. Firstly, the search feature is disabled by default on new slicers. This means that unless you manually turn it on for each visual, the search box won't appear. Secondly, the slicer search only works with text data types. If your field is formatted as a number, date, or whole integer, the search option will be hidden or grayed out. Additionally, certain slicer styles like tiles, buttons, horizontal, or slider formats do not support search boxes. Lastly, if the slicer visual is resized too small on the canvas, Power BI may automatically hide the search bar to save space. Now that we understand why the slicer search might be missing, let's bring it back. Start by hovering over or clicking your slicer visual on the report canvas. This will activate the options you need. Next, click the three dots in the top right corner of the slicer header. This is your gateway to more options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Search. And just like that, a search bar with a magnifying glass icon will immediately appear at the top of your list. This simple action can significantly enhance your ability to filter data quickly and efficiently. If you encounter any issues along the way, remember that it's totally normal if this takes a moment. Just take your time and follow the steps carefully. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.